hello, hello, hello.
For the dough, tell her one, but she want for the dough. Tell her nah for the no. Tell her die for the no.
Ghana girl say she want marry me yo. I hope so she sabi kukuwache. Hope your love go sweet past the sheet up. Baby girl, I say your body na killer oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So a lot of you have been asking for me to do an update on my baby. So today I decided to do one. You guys can see she's kind of a handful. EJ. So guys, she's 5 months and 2 weeks. She'll be 6 months very soon. She's had a 4 months what's it called, immunization, and also she had a ESPS. If you can see, I don't know if you're gonna see that. Is she gonna allow you to see that? EJ, wait. Oh Lord, yeah, so she had her ears pierced. When we went to do it, I was actually terrified for her. But the truth of the matter is that she cried when they pierced her ears, and that was it. But the truth of the matter is that she cried when they pierced her ears, and that was it. She didn't cry again after that. She was such a brave, big girl, right? So she has not started teething yet, you know, but I hope very soon she will, because by this time, when it was my first son, by this time he has like 2 teeth already. So but I believe she's just taking her time. She's doing very well, as you guys can see. She's fine, she's growing well. She doesn't sleep throughout the night yet, but we're working on that, right? She's just gonna take her time anyway. But so far so good. She's been great, she's growing fine. She's been a good girl, right? EJ. So I just wanted to do a quick update for those of you who have been asking after her, and thank you for asking after her anyway. That's what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoy a video like this. If you do, let me know in the comment section. So now EJ, say bye.
It's Drake Femme Production.
Oh, yeah, pass me the reason. Make I unlock the ginger. Any style I deliver. Anybody when not like me, they come out there, cause they know get to leave. Some of them not